Okay, I'm going to pop in and out on occasion and... Alright, okay. Go ahead.
Alright, morning everybody. We will have two combined things today. First of all, we're going to talk a little bit about alternative energies. Have you ever heard of alternative energies? Yeah, a little bit, yeah, good, okay. And we will start right away with one experiment, and Mike is going to help with that one. Before we start, my name is Lars. I'm a graduate student here at UBC, and I work at the federal government on South Campus called the National Research Council. So we do alternative energy creation there, so it's hardcore research that we do. And we do usually present the patents that we produce out of that in all over the world. So last year I was in China and Japan presenting what we did, and I'm going to show you today what that was. And Mike?
Hi everybody.
Hey.
Hi. My name is Mike Christie, and I'm a writer. And I'm in the master's program in creative writing here at UBC right now. So I'm going to be handling the second half of the day, which is going to involve sort of an artistic experiment. So there we go.
Alright, so let's get started with these guys. We have two cars here, and we need two volunteers for that. One. And what you guys will be doing is sort of refueling one of these cars. They take about half an hour before they actually start. So just go ahead. I can show you what they do. Yeah. Okay, this is called methanol. Has anybody ever heard of methanol? Yeah. It's essentially what they have in very bad wine, and that's what makes it light and vintage. That's what the stuff is. It's a very low concentration, so there's 98% water and only 2% methanol, so it's a very, very low concentration fuel. When we'll be pouring it into the fuel cell now. And we will talk a lot about fuels today and what fuels we will be having in the future and which ones we have today. So methanol is one of the fuels that we will have. That's sort of an alternative to what we have today. What do you put today into your cars? Gas, exactly. Does it taste good? No. Right? It doesn't really taste all that good. And what comes out of the back of your car, does that smell good?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. It's a gas that kills you and it doesn't smell all that good. There's also small particles. Just put it on. So whatever comes out of the back of your car doesn't smell that good and is bad for us. Not only because of the gases, but also the small particles, and you'll see how they look like in a little while. They go to your lungs, you breathe them in, they go directly to your bloodstream. And then they create cancer, asthma, all those kind of diseases that humans develop over time. Most of them can be directly related to the emissions from cars. Fuel cells are a very, very clean technology. We talked a little bit about that. The main waste product is water. So you could be drinking what comes out of the back of your car. Isn't that great? And that's what they did in the early NASA missions. They took with them two gases. Which are the two gases? When you split water into two gases, what are they? Exactly, hydrogen and oxygen. So they took with them the gases, created energy in the fuel cells, I'll tell you in a minute how, and then drank what came out of the car, out of their fuel cells. So, thank you very much. We have these two cars prepared, and let's see what happens if you flip the switch. So, anything happening? This one's already moving, because I already started it. I put a little bit of methanol in about an hour ago. This one hasn't moved yet, so I'm just going to leave them here. You guys, and we'll wait for about half an hour and then we can let them run again. Now let's go get started with our little